Hello, good evening. How you doing today, Rochelle?
Doing great, you?
I'm good. I'm gonna ask you some short question.
Okay.
Alright? I noticed you have been shopping with us for some time now. Why you choose?
Actually, I was referred by a friend, I should say. Yeah, I was referred by a friend and I actually like the customer service. You guys are very reliable, and if anything works for me, you have to have the customer service.
Hear that? Don't you hear that? Say it again, man. They're not hear the party.
Anything works for me, you have to have the customer service. My
Alright.
bad.
This
Good
is
customer service.
good. Alright, good. Alright, now you know about her coupon, right?
Yes, I do.
Alright. So even though you know, I'm just gonna give you a brief on it. Now, what you do, you will put in on the coupon card, you're gonna add your mailbox number. We'll find your mailbox number right here
And the package?
on the package, okay? This is it, as you see here. You can give it to a friend, a family member.
Yeah, I have a lot of friends.
That's good, great. And when you give them and they use the coupon, your mailbox number will come up in the system. You will receive a £5 package. Whatever you buy at £5, under £5, we ship it for you as free. Free. Free of cost.
Awesome.
Okay. Thank you for shipping. I hope to see you again.
Most of you'll be here next week.
But I only have one question.
Oh Lord!
Just one. Since you appear to be so happy with Island Shipper, when you gonna get married to Island Shipper?
I'm
Island Shipper.
Yeah.
Alright, pleasure.
Alright.
Serving you all the time.
Thanks.
Good.